Hi, welcome to Matcom. Today we will be discussing another question from NCERT Chemistry Plus 2, the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. The question is a hydrocarbon with a molecular formula C5H10 does not react with the chlorine in dark but gives a single monochloro product C5H9Cl in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. So we are having a hydrocarbon with a molecular formula C5H10. So when you are seeing C5H10, we will go with we can identify that the 5 into 2, 10. That means it is with the basic formula C5H2N. We know that not C5, CnH2n. CnH2n is the basic formula of either it is an alkene or it is a cycloalkanes. So we have these two possibilities for this fundamental molecular formula. So the first statement is the compound does not react with the chlorine in dark. Consider both the examples. If you consider alkene, for example, 5-carbon alkene it can be either but2ene, it can be either pent2ene or it can be either pent2ene or it can be pent1ene. So it can be either like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. So it is a pent2ene, or it can be CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CH3. It is pent3. On the both the cases, if you are adding a halogen, here they are specifically given that they are adding chlorine. If they are adding chlorine, we can get products like CH3, CH2, CH2, CHCl, CH2Cl. So this is the product which can be obtained from the first compound, that is pent1ene, or we can obtain CH3, CH2, CHCl, CHCl, CH3. We can get pent from pent2ene you can obtain this product. So what is happening? You are having an unsaturated system. When you are adding a halogen, that means chlorine molecule, the chlorine will be added to these two halogens. We know that addition reaction is a very fast reaction. Whenever we are having an unsymmetrical system, whenever you are adding a halogen will get easily added to a double bonded or a triple bonded system. That means it doesn't require any precursors like a light, heat or something like that, or any activating system in order for the reaction to take place. So they are very specifically mentioned that it does not react with the chlorine in dark. That means if you are simply adding chlorine to this particular corresponding molecule, it is not reacting. That means we can understand that the corresponding molecule is not alkene. So our options cannot be, or our possible answers cannot be these two alkenes. Another thing they are telling that they are giving single monochloro product. This is the catchy statement. They are giving single monochloro product at bright sunlight. That means it is happening only at a activated condition. Bright sunlight means in the presence of HCl. That means free radical halogenation reaction will be happening. In the case of sunlight, in the presence of chlorine, in presence of sunlight means it is undergoing free radical halogenation reaction. Free radical halogenation reaction. So whenever it is having a free radical halogenation reaction is happening means, so one hydrogen is substituted by the halogen. We are getting a monochloro product. What does it mean? If it is a monochloro product means all the hydrogens are same. For example, if you're having a structure like this, from cyclochrome, you can have a cyclic pentane or cyclopentane. So we can have a cyclopentane. In each carbon atom, we will be having 2 hydrogen each. When you look into the structure of cyclopentane, we can understand that all the hydrogens are equivalent. All 10 hydrogens are equivalent, correct? Understand. But when you're considering these two systems, if you're considering pent1ene or pent2ene, you can understand that all the 10 hydrogens are not equivalent. They are different. If they are undergoing substitution reaction, it won't undergo substitution reaction, it will undergo addition reaction. But if it is undergoing substitution reaction, you won't get a monochloro product. Monochloro product will be obtained only by substituting hydrogen if all the hydrogens are equivalent. If there are two different types of hydrogen means you will get two different products. Since you are getting only monochloro substituted product, all the hydrogens are equivalent. So what will happen when you are having a cyclopentane? If you are adding chlorine in presence of light, you will be getting chloro substituted cyclopentane. You will get chloro substituted cyclopentane. So here, one more thing you need to understand. Whenever an halogen is added to alkene, so halogen is added to alkene, it is undergoing addition reaction. Whenever you are adding halogen in presence of light to a cycloalkane system, it is undergoing substitution reaction. We know that addition reactions are faster than substitution reaction, or addition reaction does not require any activating conditions like sunlight or heat or increase in temperature doesn't require. But substitution reaction can happen only by what? Here there is a requirement of breakage of bond between carbon and hydrogen. It should be replaced, that hydrogen should be replaced by a chlorine. So what is our identified hydrocarbon? Our hydrocarbon is cyclopentane. So the crux of this question is, when it is C5H10 molecular formula, we have two possibilities, alkene or cycloalkane. Since it is not reacting with the chlorine at dark means there is no unsaturated system is not present. If there is an unsaturated system was there, even whenever you are adding a halogen to it, the halogen will get easily added to that double bonded system. It will become a dichloro derivative. Then it is also saying that it is giving a monochloro product. Monochloro product is possible only when in substitution. Monochlorination is possible only when in substitution. In addition, whenever you are adding a halogen, you will be getting a dichloro product. See, when you are doing addition reaction with a halogen, you will be getting only a dihalo product. You are getting only monohalo product. Since you are getting only monohalo product, indicating that the process is substitution, not the addition. Substitution is possible with a cycloalkane, not with alkene. Hope idea is clear. Hope explanation is very clear. Thanks for watching. If you need any clarity regarding this particular question, do let me know. If any other question related to chemistry or mathematics need to be explained, please give that question in the comment section. Please like to this particular video. As a token of gratitude, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.